Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Vivoactive 4S and I'm gonna show you how to change the language on this watch. First, we need to press and hold the lower button to open the menu. Once the menu opens, scroll down and find the settings icon. Then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll down and find the option called the system. Once you find it, tap on it to enter. And here you should see the option called language. Tap on it. Now you should see the list of languages on the screen. Scroll through the list, find the language you would like to use on your watch. Once you find it, tap on it. And the language should be applied. So when we open the menu, as you can see, the language changed. And that's how you change the language on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.